Hello my dear students, how are you all? All are fine, me also fine. Students, welcome back to our maths online class. Understood all of you, this is your maths class. Today I am going to teach you in words. What is the date today? Today is 23rd July 7 month year 2021, lecture number 34 in words 41 to 50. Understood all of you? 41 to 50. Here are given the spelling of the numbers. Spelling of 41 is, what is the spelling of 40? Please tell me. F-O-R-T-Y. Very good. O-N-E-1, 41. Next spelling is 42. What is the spelling of 42? F-O-R-T-Y, 40, T-W-O-2. Next spelling is 43. What is the spelling of 43? F-O-R-T-Y, 40, T-H-R-E-E, 44. F-O-R-T-Y, 40, F-O-U-R, 4. Next spelling is 45. F-O-R-T-Y, 40, F-I-V-E, 5. Next spelling is 46. F-O-R-T-Y, 40, S-I-X, 6. Spelling of 47. What is the spelling of 47? F-O-R-T-Y, 40, S-E-V-E-N, 7. 48. What is the spelling of 48? F-O-R-T-Y, 40, E-I-G-H-T, 8. Next spelling is 49. F-O-R-T-Y, 40, N-I-N-E, 9. Next spelling is 50. What is the spelling of 50? F-I-F-T-Y. Next page you have to mention the same as W. Students, daily you have completed the work from YouTube videos and live classes also, because your half-yearly examination, it will helpful for you in your learning work. So meet you soon again. Bye bye all of you.